Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to tag NFT mints versus transfers so gains calculate correctly in Koinly. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply get logged in into your Koinly account. Once you are in your Koinly account, all you gotta do is simply distinguish between NFT mint and transfers primarily by adjusting the transaction tags and details to ensure accurate cost basis and income statements. So you need to simply get mindful about this thing. So if you're tagging an NFT mint, you need to simply have the initial minting, that is your creator. And now if you want to tag an NFT purchase, then you can simply use the secondary market. When you buy an NFT from Marketplace, Coinly should automatically handle this if your wallet is connected, but you need to simply verify the tagging as well. So if you are tagging an NFT between your own wallet, you need to verify your auto matching or have a manual merging as well. So these are how you can tag NFT mint versus transfers so gains calculate correctly in Coinly. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.